Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Counter-Strike 2 FPS drops. Let's fix it guys. The first step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you don't have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date. After doing this, go to home and you just need to select the details in the CS2 and select the spanner icon over here. You just need to drag this point to performance and select apply to save changes. After doing this, go back and close it up here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type game mode. Comes up game mode setting, click on open it. You just need to turn on the game mode guys, just turn it on. After that, close it up here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Steam, click on open it. You just need to right click on the CS2 and select properties. And in here you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under the launch option. After pasting in the launch option, just click on outside and just close up here. Fourth step, you just need to right click on the CS2 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close up here and you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.